Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this tutorial video you will learn how you can attach images or photos, like for example instructions, to your tasks in the Any.do application on Android. So let us begin. Launch the Any.do application and let me navigate to all tasks here at the bottom to get a better overview of all upcoming tasks within my Any.do account. So what you want to do is tap into the given task. Let me go with this one here, schedule video, tap into it. And what you want to do next, guys, is tap into that plus button in the bottom right corner. And from the following menu, simply select either camera, if you'd like to take a photo with your mobile phone directly and upload it and attach it to your task. Or you may navigate to your phone's gallery, for instance, navigate to the given folder, for example. Let's let me go to the download folder. And from there, for instance, select the file, of course, in JPEG or PNG file format to upload to your task. So simply navigate through that menu here, tap into the given image. Let me go with this one here. And after that, tap into it to upload it to your task. And that's basically it. You will see the attachments listed here at the bottom of that task. Don't forget to tap into save in the top right corner, and that is going to attach the file or image to your task. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.